So a couple of guys I've been talking to have got some really good game ideas, but they don't know where to start their project. I know it can be a daunting thing. You open Unity and all you can see is a a scene with nothing but a camera in it. Where do you start? Firstly, guys, you can install the standard assets in here if you want. Assets import package, and then you've got all your packages here you can import. That's got some nice assets there you can play around with. Go on the Unity website, they've got some nice example projects and assets you can use. I recommend the terrain tool, they've got some nice terrain stuff there and some particle effects and stuff, and yeah, so check that out. But when it comes to creating your actual game levels, start with the programming side of things. Totally ignore your 3D models for now. Okay, like the complex 3D models you're going to use in your final game. Instead, use placeholders, guys, or you can call them templates if you like. And these are very simple models you can use to build your game. Because let's face it, Unity is a programming environment. I know it's got some nice menus and it's got some nice tools to do things automatically, but essentially it's a programming environment. If you don't know your C# or your JavaScript, you can't do much in Unity. The first thing you should concentrate on is building the scripts, get all your scripts working, iron out the bugs, and get all the functionalities, the game mechanics up and running before you concentrate on the 3D models. Alright, the kind of models you'll be creating, guys, for these placeholder models are so simple. All you need to do is dive into your 3D modeling package. I've got my 2012 here, I haven't opened it yet in this account. So I'm just gonna. I don't like this gradient background, so if you want to change that, go to Preferences, Display, and Gradient, Background Gradient. Turn it off. All right. And we want a model, so change this into polygons. All right. You just need very simple objects, guys. I'm talking the primitives here, like for example a triangle. We can just export a triangle to use in our scene for an enemy, for example. If you want to create a little house, for example, just model out a cube. I'm going to go into a smooth shader, I don't like it like that. Go into a face mode, extrude, and put this down a bit if you want. If you want to make a little garage area, just extrude again, and it's simple as that, guys. Press G if you want to repeat the previous command. G, and just do this if you want, guys. These are our placeholder graphics, okay? Just using the one tool, which is going to be extrude. Okay, so let's go into an object mode again. I've been using Maya a bit lately for my game I'm working on. Yeah, I'm working on a game at the moment, guys, so my Unity projects on YouTube will be very small. I'm just doing tutorials at the moment, just little tips. Yeah, I'll do this. Just go to normals and harden out the edges if you want to make things a bit more clearer. And go to File, Export Selection, if you want to export them one at a time. Let's go to our project. Make a new folder called Placeholders, alright? And for example, we can call this house if you wanted to. Export the selection. Yep, I'm using my student version on this one, guys. As you can see, it's loaded into the scene, and oh, that's pretty big, to be honest. So you might want to change that. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create your placeholder images. And just put a where is it? Component Physics Mesh Collider. That's the one. We can even put a box collider, 2 box colliders, one either side, and that's how I do it, guys. Just make your placeholder images. Don't even bother texturing in Maya or your 3D modeling package. You can do it in Unity. So just create a new folder for your materials. All right. Whoop, that's the actual material. So materials, and for example, orange. Let's just quickly make an orange to show you guys what to do. Let's put it in there. Alright, so this is the kind of thing you need to do to build your levels to begin with. So build up these very simple assets. Okay. script out your game before you make the final 3D models, because you know, scripting out the functionalities and the mechanics of the game could take weeks, could take months. So concentrate on that aspect, guys, before spending a lot of time doing your 3D models. Alright, so that's my take on this situation. Alright, so I hope I've helped you out. It's a really good starting point, you know, just make simple models to begin with. Alright, so thanks for watching the video, guys.